What's the meaning of burger? Burger. Burger.
Burger. Burger. A burger is a type of food consisting of a patty made from ground meat, usually beef, but sometimes turkey or a vegetarian alternative, that is cooked and served on a bread roll. The burger may be topped with various condiments and vegetables, such as lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Burgers are commonly served in restaurants, fast food chains, and at outdoor cookouts and are a staple in American cuisine. They are often associated with casual dining and are considered a convenient and tasty meal option for those on the go.